What is up, guys? And I'm gonna say one thing and you guys are gonna know what's up right away. Aloha. Right, Bob? Aloha. Yep, guys, we are going back to one of my favorite places that I've actually never been to, and that is Hawaii rope chains. And I got an exciting one for you guys. Actually, something I've never seen before, guys, and it's something I want to show you because we got a USA made rope. No, I'm just kidding. We've seen that before. Got a USA Franco, guys. A USA Franco.
Oh my God!
And I am super excited to review this. I actually just got a big gold haul in. I have some other items that I'm going to be reviewing that you guys are going to be seeing soon. Those are all 14 karat. This one, this Franco in particular, is 10 karat.
Write that down.
And it is hopefully going to be beautiful. So Bob, we're reviewing gold. I should hear zero attitude from you at all. Do your thing. All right, guys, and we are back. And like I said, we got a USA Franco from Hawaii Rope Chains. And guys, you know, at the end of the day, with my solid gold stuff, guys, I am going to Hawaii Rope Chains. They have the best prices. They have the best shipping times. They have the best everything. They have a huge selection, and they will get you anything that your little heart desires. Even if it's not on the site, they will get it. And guys, when you are navigating that site, sometimes it's a little bit hard. Sometimes things say that they're sold out or whatever it is. That doesn't mean that it's really sold out. It just means that he needs to order it for you, which can just take 3 to 5 days, and you just got to read on the site for how long it takes. You can still place your orders and still have them come in and still get your items in a very good and reasonable amount of time. So with that, guys, I'm getting a phone call, guys. Hold on. I'm going to take this on air. Hold on, guys. It's my barber. I'm filming live right now on camera, and you're about to be in the middle of a review. So if you want to talk in the middle of a review right now in front of possibly 5 to 20,000 people, that's fine, but otherwise I'm gonna have to let you go until Sunday. Guys, this is my barber Sam on the phone. He's giving me a call and shout outs to Sam because look at this cut, guys. Look at this cut. He laced me up, guys, in 7 minutes. My man Sam laced me up in 7 minutes, and I love him. Sam, I'm not picking up your FaceTime. No FaceTimes. No FaceTime. Sam's trying to get on the video, guys. We ain't doing all that today. Sam, I love you, bro. I'll hit you later. Peace. See, guys, that's life right there. That's a snippet of Biggie. D, don't cut that out. Let Sam live. Let Sam live. Anyway, getting back to the review, because this is about a Franco chain, not the way my beard looks. And Bob, I don't know what the hell you're still doing here. File yourself to the side, Bob. So, guys, I spared you guys, by the way. I saved you guys because I got 4 chains and I only have one of them here right now. And if you would have seen this freaking unboxing I just had to do, it was like an entire cardio workout.
This is way too much cardio.
It was a crazy thing. There was 9 boxes. There were steel cables. It was like going through like one of those like things like the Tomb of Death or like Maze Runner. You guys ever seen Maze Runner?
Hope is a dangerous thing. Hope has killed more of my friends than the flare and the scorch combined.
It was like the Maze Runner of unboxings. That shit wore me out, and I did it all for you guys so you could just get to the brass tacks, and that's right here. So guys, we got this usual Hawaii Rope Chains box. You have the beautiful gold foil Hawaii Rope Chains logo with the shaka. If you guys don't know what that is, that's a shaka holding the rope chain. Let's open up the box, and we got our usual charger with the 3 prongs on it. It glows in the dark. You got your current iPhone on here. You got your iPhone charger from 1983, and then you got your micro USB rather, for those products that you brought off Amazon in 1991 that you still have because you're a hoarder and you didn't throw them out.
What? I love garbage.
And you need to charge them. This is the only way you can do it. So buy something from Hawaii Rope Chains and you can charge up your toaster that's supposed to fly that you bought in 87 that doesn't really work. Next, we're greeted with this pouch. We're going to file that to the side because this is where the actual jewelry is. And then here is our card of authenticity. Diamond cut Franco, 4.5 millimeters, 30 inches, 10 karat, 70.7 grams. And then guys, we got the usual, and we just have our HRC polishing cloth right here, which you can use to polish off your beautiful new gold. So let me put this all back in over here so I don't lose it. I want to have my green slime charger on deck, and let me close up this beautiful box. Pause.
Hey, yo!
And let us get into the goods, guys. So here we go. And look at this. Look at that. Beautiful, guys. I mean, listen, always with Hawaii rope chains, guys, I don't even need to tell you guys. You guys all know the drill. I see all your comments. You guys know what's up. I mean, this is just formalities at this point, guys. I mean, you already know that if you're ordering a chain from Hawaii rope chains, it is going to be a dope chain. It's going to be very hard to get a chain from Hawaii rope chains that's not a dope chain. But nonetheless, take a look at this beautiful, beautiful Franco right here. And this link is just next level, guys. I love Francos. And you want to know why I love Francos? Because they are versatile. Like, you can wear them with any chain. They look great on their own. They look great with other Francos. They look great with rope chains. They look great with box chains. They look great with just about anything.
It's even more magnificent than I imagined.
And you can also rock them with pendants. You can rock them with your own. So guys, here we go. We have a nice lobster clasp here. We have the 10-carat stamp. So you have that right there, which is great. And this is a nice sturdy lobster clasp, closed jump rings. And this is just a beautiful, beautiful chain, guys.
I need that more than anything right now, and I want it. I want it more than anything right now.
So this was 70.7 grams. That's at least what my card said. So let's clear this out and let's see if that's correct. 70.71. So we are 0.001 millimeter gram light years below whatever it said, but we're on point nonetheless. And let us get a measurement on this, guys. So this is a 4.5 millimeter. It is 30 inches. We are at 0 and 4.6. Okay. 4.61, and let's get one more, guys. 4.63. I like that. I was expecting this maybe to be a little bit under, guys, but we're over. And look at this thing. This thing is dope. This is a dope chain. So guys, I don't even need to pause you guys to get this around neck, because this thing is easy to put around neck. And peep this, guys. Peep this. Super, super comfortable. And listen, guys, 70 grams on me feels like nothing.
I'm the lion.
Sometimes I burp and I feel like there's 70 grams on my chest.
Did you hear that?
But guys, listen, there's not a million things to say about this, right? It is a Franco chain. It is beautiful. And the biggest thing that I can say is just shopping with Hawaii rope chains is a great experience. You get your orders on time, you pay a good price, okay? And you're always gonna get something that is fire. And that's what I love. I like consistency, guys. I like knowing that if I'm even not thinking about it, right? Because we're all in that moment sometimes. You're just like, you make an impulse buy, or you've been wanting something for mad long and you're sitting there and you're like, oh, do I hit purchase now? Do I hit it and you have it open? Then all of a sudden out of nowhere, you're like, purchase now. F it, I did it. But at least you know, if you do that at Hawaii rope chains, that at least you're gonna get a dope piece around your neck and you're not playing any guessing games. And that is something that is important to me. And that's why I only review good companies on the channel, guys.
You know what? You're the best, no matter what everybody on this app says.
You know, I have a million companies that are hitting me up right now, wanting to get on the channel. And I'm not trying to talk shit. I'm not trying to make it seem like I'm the best reviewer in the world and oh my god, biggies. I'm not a narcissist, I'm not any of that, but at the end of the day, guys, it's important to me to have less quantity and more quality than more quantity and less quality. That's a very, very, very important thing. So guys, let us have a quick message from my amazing sponsor, One Bone, and then we are going to rate this beautiful Franco chain. All right, guys, One Bone. They have size medium all the way up to 7X, the most amazing shirts, pants, shorts, jackets, hoodies, everything you can think of. I rock One Bone head to toe no matter what. I've been rocking One Bone head to toe since before I was with One Bone. Make sure that you click the link in this description to go to my landing page, see my favorite fits, and use my code BIGE15 for 15% off your first order. And with that, guys, let's get back to the review. Let's rate this thing and let's wrap it up. All right, guys, and we are back. So there's one crazy thing about this chain. It's something I want to talk about, is that I've reviewed a lot of USA ropes, and usually Francos are always an import, right? They're always coming in. It's an Italian chain, so you're always going to get an Italian Franco. And these are a new thing for Hawaii rope chains, these USA Francos, and the quality in comparison to the other Francos. Now listen, I've never reviewed a Hawaii rope chains Franco on the channel, but that doesn't mean that I haven't had them. I've actually owned 3 Hawaii rope chains Francos, and they were all amazing. And the cool thing about this is that I wasn't sure what to expect when I got this. Like, is this going to be a huge dip in quality, or the diamond cut's not going to be as pronounced? But guys, this thing looks really, really amazing. And let me just take this back off for a second, and let's take a look at this. But you know, these diamond cuts are super pronounced, and this chain is just made really well. Definitely a good job, and you definitely are getting savings with the USA Franco. Same way with the USA rope, because you don't have those import fees, right? Tariffs are crazy right now, prices of gold are crazy and all that. So being able to get the USA Franco, you're able to get a beautiful piece, and you're able to get those savings. Question is that are the savings worth it, right? And that's what everybody wants to know. In the very beginning of USA ropes, right, the USA ropes weren't that great yet. They weren't. So people were still constantly buying Peru ropes. Now, years later, the USAs have definitely caught up. And I always tell people, if you're buying a rope, buy a USA rope. Definitely save the money. Buy domestically. If you're in the US, buy domestically, get that USA rope and save the money. I'm not saying that on some America type things, but at the end of the day, if you can save money and still good quality, I am all for it. And from what I can see from this Franco, guys, this is quality right here. This is a quality chain. You know, I really do like that USA piece, and honestly, I think it is the smart buy. I'm always a huge supporter of smart buys. I always try to help people and guide people to make the smartest purchase possible, and that's why I purchased this, guys. At the end of the day, I literally purchased this for you guys, and there's nothing left to do but rate it. And on the dope or nope verdict, check it out, guys. Congratulations, Hawaii rope chains. Another one, certified dope. I love this chain. Definitely gonna have this in my rotation. Guys, make sure you do all the YouTube stuff for me, like, subscribe, thanks, this, that. You have, you know, left, right, up, down. Most importantly, those guys, comment. Give me a comment, right? I love answering your comments. I love talking shop. I love talking everything with you guys, helping you guys, whatever you need from me. Big E is here for you guys. And with that, guys, this has been the review of the Hawaii rope chains 4.5 millimeter USA Franco. USA Franco. This has been your boy Big E, and I am out. Peace.